today's video, well, if you haven't already guessed, I got a lot of packages on deck. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ed, your friendly neighborhood dad, and in this episode, I did a massive Amazon haul of stuff. What's in these packages? Well, if you caught my last video, I did a little silly video of me unboxing the iPhone 8 Plus Red Edition, or as I like to call it, the Ed Edition. Get it? Ed, Red. Okay. Don't know why I did that. Anyway, moving on. So the new iPhone 8 Plus, well, 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10 are all made of glass. And that is because they are now able to be wirelessly charged. Yay! Took you long enough. The glass makes it very susceptible to cracking. That phone hits the floor, it's gonna shatter. And unless you have Apple Care, which I suggest, and I do, a case is always recommended. So that's what I did. I went shopping for a case, or many cases. And in this case, get it? I got all this stuff. So this will be pretty much a open up and first impressions of these cases that I hopefully plan to use. Let me go get my knife. Okay, got my knife. Let's get to unpacking. First product up, this one. This is the Skyfall series from Caseology. And this case might fit the color scheme of the phone. So let's get this one open. Look at this. Let the camera there focus. It's got good plastic on the back, hard edges. Now I don't know if you can see it, but the red looks like it may just match this. Next package up. Simplicity for Life. This is by Taurus. Let's open this up. Let's take a quick look at it. Ooh, look at that. Let's try this one. I'm gonna put this one on. Oh, line this up here. Line this up. Ah, got it. There we go. Heard that click? Okay. Yeah, this one's nice. Check it out. Here is edges, plastic. This one looks pretty good. Yeah, I like this. But it looks like it can easily come out. On the edges here, I think it may be a little bit problematic. It's not snug. Moving on. All right, next up is, let's see what this one has. Hey, sweet. This is from Spigen. And this one is air cushion technology. Drop tested, military grade. Let's open it up and see. Here is the red, is a brighter red. This is like a candy red. Just like a fire engine red, maybe. And this is like a darker red. I prefer this color. Well, let's try it out. I'm gonna put it on and see. See here? Right here on this edge and this edge right here, it's got a good fit, and it doesn't look like it's gonna be loose. got a good snug fit. Wow, this is a snug fit. It's not coming off easy. Ugh. Ugh. Right now I can tell you, the color is too bright. So, moving on. There we go. That was a satisfying rip. What's in this? Aha! Okay, we have another case from Spigen. This is the Neo Hybrid. There you go. Then we have one from Ranbu. Ranbu, can you see that? Yeah, this one I was actually interested in. I'm gonna open this one quickly. This one looks like it's good. This one looks pretty good. The color looks like it matches well, especially the edges. I don't know if you can see it, but the edges are good. But what I'm noticing that these cases, they don't really hug the foam completely around the edges. So they seem to be flimsy on the sides. I don't like that. Very easily you can, I don't know if you can pick that up. See? No good. And I don't know, I gotta try it on, walk with it for a while and see, but I don't think that's gonna be very good. Oh, here's one. Here's a case that I found online, and I just like the name of the case. They're called the SupCase. Like, what's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing? What's up, you? I'm cool. What's up with you? Yeah, SupCase. This actually got a cool box. And it says here, drop protection. Let's open this one up. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, I remember this one now. This one didn't have red around it. It had black and red. This one wasn't totally red around. See how it has red edges in, but then there's black edges outside. I don't know how that's gonna look because I really want the whole red foam to show. So as you can see here, it's got black bumpers, and I was hoping to have it all red because I wanted to show off the whole foam, just because I like the red. Red's my favorite color. But it has a nice grip. Wow, I'm liking this case a lot. First impressions, it's nice and snug, hugs the foam well. With this case, I see already that it's squared. It's not completely round. But it does have, right here, see if I can get it on the screen, checking. Okay, see here, these edges, they're really tight, so they hug the foam really well. It gives it a nice snug fit. This one looks like it's gonna stay on for a while. Yeah, I'm really liking the look of this. Yeah, I think we have a winner. SupCase. Never heard of this company before. SupCase. This is called the Unicorn Beetle Edition. There you go. She's got a picture of a beetle right there. And on the box it says it has scratch resistant, shock resistant, perfect gripping, which is true. My only thing is that it has a cutout, and I'm just hoping that you don't get dust in there, you know? There we go. See the cutout right here? But I guess we'll see. But you know, guys, I have to say I really like the feel of this case. So guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this first look and unpacking of all these cases. And I will see you in the next video. Dad out. Bye.